to Intermediate Level English Language Arts.
Hi guys, and welcome to English Language Arts Grade 5. Our topic for today would be recognizing nouns as objects of verbs. Alright, so nouns have many uses. One of them is that they could be objects, and objects are receivers of verbs, right? So there are two common kinds of objects. We have the first one, the direct object, and the second one, indirect object. What are these? So the direct object, guys, these are nouns that answer the question verb plus what or verb plus whom. They receive the action directly. Take note, objects, by the way, these are nouns found in the predicate area, okay? So they come after the verb. So if it's a direct object, it answers the questions verb plus what or verb plus whom, and they directly receive the action. Indirect objects, on the other hand, these are nouns that answers the questions verb plus to what or to whom, verb plus for what or for whom, and they indirectly receive the action. They come before the direct object. So here are some examples, right? So all of those in yellow are the verbs. So let's take the first example right there. The boy ate the cake. Ate is your verb. Ate what? Cake. Next, several people visited the king. Visited whom? King. Therefore, these in red, these are the direct objects. How about indirect objects, right? This is how it works. So in the indirect object, the third sentence we have, my mother gave me candy. Gave is your verb again. Gave what? Candy. That's your direct object. Gave candy to whom? Me. Therefore, that's the indirect object. Another example. She sent to her dad the letter. Sent what? Letter. That is your direct object. And to whom? Her dad or dad. And these are basically your two different kinds of very common kinds of objects. They are not the only objects, by the way. There are other objects, right? But for this case, we are discussing just these two kinds, direct object and indirect. Direct object, verb plus what or verb plus whom. Indirect object, verb plus to whom, to what, for whom, or for what. And that ends our topic for recognizing nouns. Okay, recognizing nouns as objects of verbs.